Here we're going up the lift hill on the forest coaster here in Betws-y-Coed. It's quite a long lift hill. Quite pleasant though, quite nice and quiet. No hands! Hi Ollie! Ollie! No! Brakes! Braking is for wimps! I think that was the auto brakes kicked in then. It sure weren't me. Whoa! That's a good one, that! Oh, here we go, round the last bend. Whoa! Hey! Auto brakes, auto brakes. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Follow us on Twitter at Munchy Road and on Instagram at Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content and tell us about any adventures that you have.